guys, this is LiquidOcelot, and guys, today I'm going to show you how to enable dark mode on your what do you call it, YouTube Studio app in Android. YouTube Studio app in Android, where you see your analytics and everything. So I am in my cell phone right now. I am going to YouTube Studios, and guys, now what here are the analytics. So what I'm going to do is, right now, as you can see, the analytics are all just I'm sorry for that, guys. Tom has posted on my latest video, and that was regarding Tom as well. So another channel of his posted, but never mind. So what you are going to do, guys, is go to your channel avatar, which for me or here is on the top right hand side of the screen. So I'll click it, and here I'll go to this cog settings, and here I'll just there is a new option that is available for you now, that is to enable dark theme for YouTube Studio Android app. So I'll just hit it, and now as you can see, my studio app, YouTube Studio app, is in dark theme. So everything, all the stats, everything, it's looking much more crisper on the eyes. So I hope you liked and enjoyed this tutorial on how to enable dark theme on YouTube Studio Android. Thanks for watching, my friends. Please let me know in the comment section below what you guys think. I'll be signing out. Take care.